6. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, I'll be showing you one good sounding pentatonic run. All right, now this is going to be in the series I call pentatonic fills and runs, and we're going to be exploring pentatonic fills and different runs you can really use to elevate your sound. All right, so stay tuned. If you don't want to miss anything in this series, do well to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any video I release going forward. And as well, I'll put a description of my WhatsApp channel here. The WhatsApp channel is not for people to communicate with each other. It's basically for me to send you information. So whenever I release a video, I send you an information there. Sometimes there could maybe some extra bits and pieces of information, So if someone needs some chord charts are needed and I get a request here, I may be able to put it on the WhatsApp platform for people to pick some of these up and incorporate in their play. All right, so I really encourage everyone here to go down to the description, or maybe I'll put a link somewhere up here, and click and join my WhatsApp channel and stay up to date with every information. All right, so if you're ready, let's just get right into this lesson. Now this lesson, I'll introduce you to a nice pentatonic run, which I think I picked from a song. There's a gospel song called Praise Him in Advance. And I picked this up somewhere around 2010 or 2011, over 10 years ago actually. And well, it was in the key of C sharp, okay, and it was going to the 4 chord, and they played something like all right, so it was in like 3/4 timing, but because I'm trying to play it in 4/4, it sounded a bit weird. All right, so you get the idea. It's quite a fast run, but let me break it down. Sorry, so if you play all right, so let me explain how this run is. So sometimes, especially when you're playing runs in the black keys, to be able to move swiftly through it, sometimes you need to add one note, one white note to make it run. Now, the pentatonic scale for the key of C sharp is 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. All right. So when we move up, down, we're starting from the 6. We start like if we're supposed to play it in strictly pentatonic, it's going to be like we are going to add the 7, okay, like so that you see it's like 3 positions with just your 3 fingers, right? La, so, mi, or 6, 5, 3, then 2, 1, 7, 7, 2, 1, 7, 6, 4, 3, 4, right? So you can go. So I suggest when you're playing these runs, you need to start like time yourself. Ba, ba, ba. 1, 2, 3, ba. Right? So usually I start with da 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 da. Right? And then I come and end on the 6 so that I can use it to face the 4 chord. It's like the third of the 4 chord. So 1. So if I play a chord progression like 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So So sometimes you can or you can play sometimes I just do a bit of playing around with a few other notes just so I can fall within the timing. So that's something you might want to do. Let's try one more time. Then now I'm going to the 6 and then I'll make the run, right? See that? So that's if you want to fit it into timing, right? Wherever you get to, you need to get into the time. Then play a faster one. Ah, that's so much fun. One more time. So 1, 5, right, 6, 2. Yeah, that works a lot better. So after you play you just leave just one. If you want to play the fast one, you leave just one count. So 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So after you start the round on the third count, you see what I mean? So on the 6th chord here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right, 3, 4. So this is your practice. Three, 4, 1, 2. Let's try a much slower one. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You can obviously slow it, right? But in this timing, it falls with a faster one. So last one, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. Do one last time. See? So sometimes just feel what you want to play. One more time. 6. So that's how much fun you can have with this pentatonic one. Feel free, play it anyhow how you want to, right? Sometimes I play it without doing. Sometimes I start with that, right? So you can play. It's not anything serious. Just take your time and break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then you speed it up. And it's important that it's clean and concise, right? So very important you do that. All right. Very good. So I'm I'm glad you enjoyed this lesson, and do well to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in your comments in the comment section below how it's going with you, and I'll certainly see you in the next lesson.